The 2026 Nissan Primastar represents a significant evolution in the realm of light commercial vehicles, seamlessly integrating efficiency, versatility, and modern technological advancements. Equipped with a range of 2.0-litre turbocharged DCI engines, delivering between 110 horsepower and 170 horsepower, the vehicle meets stringent Euro 6D temp emission standards while offering commendable fuel efficiency. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual or an advanced 6-speed dual-clutch automatic, ensuring a balance between power and ease of operation. These enhancements contribute to a refined driving experience, making the Primastar a competitive choice for businesses and fleet operators seeking reliability and cost-effectiveness. The interior of the 2026 Primastar is meticulously designed to cater to both driver comfort and functionality. Featuring high-density foam seating with integrated armrests, the cabin prioritizes ergonomic support, particularly for long-distance travel. The dashboard integrates a modern infotainment system with a 7-inch touchscreen, providing seamless access to navigation and multimedia functionalities. Premium trim levels further enhance the aesthetic appeal with satin chrome accents and upgraded upholstery, aligning with contemporary expectations for commercial vehicle interiors. The user-friendly layout and intuitive controls ensure that drivers can operate the vehicle efficiently, reducing fatigue and enhancing productivity. From a practical standpoint, the Primastar offers an array of configurations tailored to diverse commercial needs. With multiple panel van sizes, crew van options, and a floor cab variant, the model adapts to both cargo transportation and passenger mobility. The inclusion of factory-fitted protective wooden trim, LED roof lighting, and customizable racking solutions underscores Nissan's commitment to functionality and durability.